In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door bumper on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new door bumper, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This can be done without removing the fridge door. All you need to do is open the fridge door to give you access to the bumper. To remove the bumper, use a flat blade screwdriver to pry on the locking tab and pull the bumper away from the door. You may find this tricky. When shopping for a new door bumper, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part will work on the left or right door. To install the bumper, align and firmly press back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.